You're kidding me. Quit playing with me, man. Hey.
Ooh, yeah. You be my blood, yeah. You be my blood, you be my blood.
Yo, what's happening, my Shaded Outdoors? We're back at it again with another Shaded Vlog, Shaded Adventures, and we are here in Karekare Falls, man. Your boy bait his lady to the swim, man. Hey, baby. Yes. Oh my god. So your boy's here actually doing gonna get that long exposure, man. We came here early in the morning, came for a swim, man, and it was fresh and clean like Listerine. You feel me? And yeah, man, well rejuvenated, well cleansed, and oh my god. So yeah, man, out with another adventure. Gonna do some shots today, man. Yeah, yesterday, Piha, really dope, man, really dope. Did a couple of extra shots. It wasn't actually starry out last night either, but it was cloudy. It was pretty cloudy. We didn't actually reside at a beach last night. We went out to a ngahere, baby. We went to stay at the ngahere. Wow, it was dope as real. Hear all of the money, you know? But yeah, this is the vibe. This is what we're gonna be doing today. Hey. Yo, look at this long exposure. Camera here just adjusting a little bit. Get that long exposure. Then gotta do it with the beach now, man. We got the waterfall right here. My leg doing some nature shots. But actually, just before we get here on the track, straight around the beginning, around first bend, you see like this. It's actually a dope little waterfall. It looks like a rock. Oh, I'll show you. I'll actually show you after this. So I'm just gonna go do a couple of shows. Do a couple of photos, long exposures, because this is just magnificent. Yeah, then we'll go up to the track, show you that one. And yeah, we just vibing today, you know what I mean? We just vibing, and I wanted to bring you along. If you're ever down in Karekare, around Piha, this isn't too far from Piha. On your way down towards Waterfalls, just out of Auckland. Dope area, man. To reconnect with your wairua. You feel me? But yeah, let me just get some of these shots in, man. Hey. Yo, so we just finished there. People actually turned up. Can you see that waterfall? Oh, where is it? There we go. Is it there? Oh yeah, it's right there. So that's where we just were. It's the vibe, man. This is the track right here. That's what you look for when you look for waterfalls. You look for this, you know? You look for that sign on waterfalls. We look for the signs. Mate, yeah. The spot up here, baby. It's like the rock pool. It's actually dope, man. I'm gonna do some photos in there. Some photos. That's what we're gonna do today, man. Go on chasing waterfalls. Hey, we're actually gonna swim here, but oh my god, don't know how long the track goes down, but oh, peep this magical area. Peep this magical area. Hey, baby. Baby, is that magical what? See what I'm talking about? We're gonna get some shots on there. That's gonna look really dope. But do you see right there? How dope would that be to swim in? Have that waterfall dropping down on you. That's just how we live. We're gonna go do some shots. Might go for a swim. Mine. That's why I don't. Can't hold me up to it. We just flow. Hey, yo, I'm going for. Yeah, that's looking nice here, right? And I'm not gonna miss out on this opportunity to go for the sun. Hey. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing now, baby. That's pretty much our vlog for the day, you know what I mean? We just chasing waterfalls. If it ain't at the waterhole, it's out at the beach. And if it ain't there, you know what we doing? We just feeding our wairua. So remember, feed your wairua, not your ego. Aye. So yeah,